Class 6th. In the previous video we had seen about the number system, Indian number system and the international number system. Now today we are going to start exercise 1.1, that is on page number 12. The first question is fill in the blanks, and of that the first one is 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Okay, so for that what we do, we write down ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, till lakh only we want. Okay, so we will write only till lakh, and then we write down here we put 1 lakh, we write down. Okay, in this how many 10,000s are there? Okay, if I write here 1, it will become 1 10,000. Okay, but now here there are 10 10,000s. How many? 10 10,000s. Okay, so like this way we have to find. This was of the Indian number system. The same kind can be there of the international number system also. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. So we write down ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, million, 1 million. So this is 1 million, 1 0 below each one. Okay, so this is 1 million. We have to find out how many 100,000s are there. So this is 100,000. So how many 100,000s will be there? 10 100,000s. Okay, now if I ask you how many thousands will be there, instead of 100,000, if I write 1 million is equal to how many thousands, then what you are going to do, you will see from here how many thousands will be there. There will be 100,000s. There will be how many? 100,000s. Okay, now this is fill in the blanks of exercise 1.1. there are 5 questions. 2 we have already done, 3 are remaining, and that 3 you have to do. That is, I am writing down the question also over here that you will have to do. 1 crore, this is of Indian number system, is equal to dash 10 lakh. D, 1 crore is equal to dash million. In this you will have to compare the Indian system and the international system both. Okay, and E is 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Okay, now there are some new number names given here, and we have to write down the numbers for them. Okay, the second question is place commas. I have told you the importance of commas in writing the number name. Okay, so you have to be very careful about the commas also. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Place commas and write the numerals. The first question is, listen carefully. Okay, 73 lakh 75,307. 73 lakh 75,307. This is of Indian number system. So what we do, first of all we write down the number system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, ten thousands, not 100,000. In Indian number system 100,000 will not come. Lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Now here it is 73 lakh. 73 lakh 73 lakh 75,000 307. Okay, this is A. Now I am going to do E. Okay, 23 lakh 30,010. I am writing the number also. 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakh 30,010. Again we are going to write here ones, tens, hundreds. You can see here 23 lakh. Lakh is coming, that means this is of Indian number system. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. We need till 10 lakh only. Okay, 23 lakh means 2 digits are there for lakh. 23, 2 digit, 23. 30,000, 30,000 and 10, only 10. Now here the hundreds place is vacant, so we put here 0. So this is 23 lakh 30,010. Okay, in this also B, C and D, you have to do it in the homework. Listen carefully. The number B is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. C is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. D is 58,423,202. Listen carefully. 58 million. That means this is of international number system. Million has come. 423,000. In thousand also there are 3 digits. 423,202. So this is international number system. Listen carefully once again. D, 58,423,202. You can watch the video as many times as you want. Okay, so that the things become clear to you. Now the next question we go for is third one. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. What we have to write? First of all, we have to put the commas properly. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system. We have to write the names according to the Indian system. So writing names according to the Indian system means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. So we are going to do C and D. First of all, C. 999,000,46. Okay, so first of all we write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now we can write down the number name. 9 crore 99 lakh. Okay, 9 crore 99 lakh. There is no thousand, so no need of writing. No hundred, so no need of writing. 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Okay, this is C. Now we are going to do D. 9843271. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Now here this is 9 crore 84 lakh 32,000